Level 5, Elementary. Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood was a kind girl who always wore a red hood. One day, her mother gave her a basket of food for Grandma and told her to walk straight through the forest. On the way, the girl met a wolf. He asked her where she was going, and she answered honestly. The wolf hurried ahead, reached the house, and swallowed Grandma whole. He dressed in her clothes and waited in bed. When Little Red Riding Hood arrived, she said, "Grandma, what big eyes you have. Better to see you with," said the wolf. "Grandma, what big ears you have. Better to hear you with," said the wolf. "Grandma, what big teeth you have. Better to eat you with," shouted the wolf. He jumped to catch her, but a woodcutter came in time and rescued both the girl and her grandmother.